In Android 16, you can now customize pop-up notification style for each app. Choose between brief or detailed, no matter what your general setting is. This gives you more flexibility. For example, keep social apps brief, but make your messages app detailed so you can see full previews instantly. To do so, long tap an app icon, for example messages, on the home or app screen. Tap the app info icon. Tap notification. Tap notification pop-up style. Here you will see three options. Default brief pop-up, which means this app follows your general phone setting. All apps use this by default. So if your general pop-up style is brief, it shows default brief pop-up. If it's detailed, then it shows default detailed pop-up. Brief pop-up if you want to always use short previews for this app, and detail pop-up if you want to always show full previews for this app. As the example, let's select detail pop-up, and that's how you can set different pop-up notification style per app in Android 16. It's giving you full control over how each app notifies you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.